John McKeag here with Liberty Aid Academy. This is the Trust Crash Course, and we're going to explain what we do here at Liberty Aid Academy. We totally radically change your life for the better. No taxes going out. That's right. Get exempted from taxes and get all this money coming in from the government. Totally change your life. Everyone has success. This is available to anyone in the United States. Absolutely anyone. I don't really make much money. It works for you. Oh, I'm a billionaire. I'm a millionaire. Works for you. Works for everyone. Okay. So we do this twice a week too on YouTube Live. We do the Trust Crash Course twice a week. All right. Mondays at noon and Thursdays at 7. What is Liberty Aid Academy? Liberty Aid Academy teaches our students to radically improve their lifestyle with legal, easy to use financial methods not widely known, but proven by testimonials to work for all of our students. Our courses all use copyrighted, unique material only used at our school. All of our students' testimonials have a notarized affidavit proving that their testimonials are 100% real and made by real people just like you. So this works for everyone. And okay, so what do I do, John? I get in, you get you the trust, okay? It's really simple. You get the trust, and then you get it. Oh, do I need that business finance 101? If you want to know how to build credit for the trust, yes, you do. Okay? And then, where's all that free money? Where are all those hacks? You get a Patreon, and you learn that information over there in Patreon. It's really easy. It's indexed. You only need it for like a month, or really. Okay, so I made my donation, John. I made my donation into your courses. Great. Here are your courses, and here's the FAQ, and we even have a student forum. All your fellow classmates are in there telling about all their hacks and everything. It's absolutely amazing. See, all of this stuff really works. It's really true. Okay. Uh, what are these benefits you're talking about? Cash? Yeah, cash money, regular payments every month. It, also, you qualify for EBT food stamps, which is literally $250 a month, $3,000 a year per individual. Okay, you get it. You could qualify, get a free smartphone with free cell phone service, free internet. You could also get, state and county also have a whole bunch of programs too, which could be free electricity and other things, free health insurance, free housing. Can you believe it? Free college, free graduate school, and better credit. All things you qualify for after you open your trust. Okay, what else could I qualify for, John? This sounds good to be true. No, it's not too good to be true because I've done it, posted my proof, and so have our students. So, what else? Exempted from IRS taxes and also exempted for the rest of your life. Never have to file, never have to report to the IRS, never. No state taxes. Get out of any business taxes automatically right when you open this trust. It's automatic. It works for every business, okay? Get out of personal taxes, out of your property taxes, out of sales taxes, get out of vaccines, get out of jail and detainment. That works 100% of the time too. No crypto taxes, no inheritance taxes. Oh, this is a lot, right? You get a lot. But it's all true because listen, we have testimonials, right? You should go listen to them. Each testimonial has a notarized affidavit, like I said. Dee Dee says, "You saved my life, even though it doesn't look like much has changed. Everything has changed." Thank you, Dee Dee. Greg, Liberty Aid Academy's support has been vital in the creation of this trust. Any questions or concerns, they answered. The whole community has been a big support. The proverbial weight or fear has been lifted and will be continued with all of John's words. Greg, that's great, and you did wonderful. And like I was saying before, we go live twice a week. I go live twice a week on YouTube here on the Trust Crash Course, and that's all on YouTube. So that's Mondays at noon, Thursdays at 7 p.m. Set your calendar, and hey, any questions? I'm right here. And we also, when you go to our website, you're like, oh, what's this email thing? Yeah, you can sign up, give us your email, and you get a little orientation via email. It's free. We do that to orient you to our school. And so if you have any further questions or thoughts, just best way is to email and then we could, we've heard every question, so we know what your questions are. I made thousands of videos. This has been going on for a decade. You didn't know, you didn't hear about it yet. Well, it's time you do. It's time you change your life. This works for 100% of the people. All of our students have success. You will have success too.